Hi, this is Ajay Kumar from RUDRA Surgical Mumbai. We are manufacturer and supplier of laparoscopy, urology and gynecology instruments. So this is mobile entertainer along with 5 instruments and 3 practice material, 2 white 1 red, and along with 2 plastic cones. So this instruments is foldable and portable, and you can also adjust the phone according to your personal choice to right to left, or otherwise from here up to down. So let me show you how to access this. So just we have to rotate this. So here you can adjust like this from up to down. From this you can get better camera angles. So just we have to lock. It's done. You can zoom out and zoom in. You can record too. You can take images. It's all up to your phone. And these instruments are sterile, reusable, made up of stainless steel. Size is 5 mm into 330.